Okay, all. I'm going to briefly go through the vocabulary for Xiao, chapter 5 and chapter 6. So, beginning in chapter 5, which deals with a lot of irregulars. So we'll have av, and then notice the masculine plural here is completely irregular. This is what we would expect of the feminine plural. This ot, avot. Ohel is a tent, so imagine that you're camping and your tent collapses on you, and then you think ohel. Ach is brother, and the masculine plural irregularity here is not so much on the end, so this one's really not that bad. Achim, right? We've all probably had a brother, whether biological or otherwise, who we thought, oh dear, this person just makes me want to say ach. Achot, similar. You can see the relationship between ach and achot. Achot is sister. And then, of course, the maddening irregularity here is that it looks like it's feminine plural already, but it's not. Achayot is going to be your feminine plural. Achayot. Ish is man, male, husband, and then men is anashim, right? So you didn't really see the noon there coming in. Don't really, better not to ask. Some things like the vocabulary here in chapter 5, better just to learn rote, or you'll go crazy. Isha is a woman, female, wife. Nashim is the plural. Bayit is house. Batim is houses. Bain is son or grandson in some circumstances. Banim is sons, right? So we have two words that look similar. Batim is houses, banim is sons. Bat is daughter, and banot is daughters. Har is a mountain, the plural would be harim. And then we have here a few words that are quite similar, right? We have yom, which is day, yamim, which is days, yomam, which is the adverb daily or day by day, and then we have yam, which is sea. Yom is day, yam is sea, but then we have the sort of homophonic plurals here, right? Yamim is days and yamim is seas. So they sound exactly the same, but notice you have the doubling dot in the mem after a patach here, no doubling dot after a kametz here in days. Alright, and of course context would help you otherwise. Keli, vessel, instrument. Kelim, vessels, instruments. And oftentimes these guys will be in some kind of construct, so it'll tell you an implement of X, Y, or Z. Okay. Then we have ma'aseh, which you can see the word for deed here. Ma'aseh comes from asa, to do or make. And remember, I'm not sure I got to this or that we've talked about it yet, but asa is already inflected for third person masculine singular perfect. Okay, so it literally, asa would be he did or he made, and you can see there is the root, the same root, and then this guy, this mem, as we talked about in class, is the sort of abstract noun making prefix. Okay, we have ir, we have arim, we have am, and then this is a mistake that whoever made these Quizlet flashcards made. This should be amim with a mem, right? For peoples, not arim. Arim is cities. Amim. Rosh is head, top, chief, depending on context. Rashim is heads, and then this is you get a couple others that are related. Is Rishon and Reshit, like this is in our our reading today. Reshit is first or beginning. Sar is ruler or prince, and then if you were to put shalom next to that, Sar Shalom, it would be prince of peace, right? Or a peaceful ruler. So that's vocab for chapter 5.